Chicken Lips 34 Matrix Productions.
Yeah.
Reporting for duty. Duty. Yeah.
Like 12 o'clock at night.
Yeah. 12:16.
Boom. We're on Erie-Hart Road.
Yeah, we are on Earhart Road, A.K.A. Oxford-Milford Road. I'm sorry, you guys, you're looking at the road right now, but... Chicken Lips, what are we doing? Because you're driving.
We are going down a very dark road.
Yes, we are. So, guys, hang in there with us.
We're going to check for cops.
Oh, shit.
Checking for the police.
Yep, checking for the POs. They shouldn't be down here. I've never seen a cop down here before in my life. So, it's said that on the strip of road here, it is super, super duper haunted by a motorcycle ghost.
Yeah.
2 teen lovers, man. Okay. It said that because I just read it, it just said that a young girl would take her father's car to a driveway, and she would flash her lights 3 times to basically signal him to come and pick her up. Well, one night, there was a small child that was riding his bike in the street, and the motorcycle... Yeah, the motorcyclist did not see him until the last second. Unfortunately, they both died, and shortly after that, his girlfriend ended up hanging herself in the barn down the street, which is no longer there. So this is the very road that this man and this small child lost their lives on. And it's said that when you park your vehicle, flash the lights 3 times,
Turn it off.
and then turn it off, you're supposed to see the little boy's reflectors on his bike, and then the headlight of the motorcycle. So I guess we're gonna see if it's a thing. So right now we're checking to see if there's any police. We're turning around in this creepy ass, long ass driveway. I have my door locked, by the way, guys, because I don't do spooky scary. But Jason insists to do the spooky scary because he likes to do these types of things. But we're gonna try and see if we can capture this ghost. Alright guys, so what we did there is super illegal, but I know you guys probably didn't see it.
Sometimes when I go back this way, if you look in your rearview mirror, you'll see the ghost light.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, that's super sad though, because, you know, they were in love.
And then people like us keep respawning.
Well, because it's kind of sad though, you know? And it's kind of like, I don't know. We do it because...
Oh, look back here.
What?
Look back here in the mirror. There's a red light.
Oh my god!
I told you, didn't I?
Oh my god!
Single red light like a motorcycle.
Oh my god! No way! No!
It's
That...
gone.
No!
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Single red light. That wasn't 2, was it? That's a single, wasn't it?
Yeah? No, we gotta turn around. No way!
I told you, sometimes it's just delayed.
No way!
That was it.
No way!
Sometimes they said you'll see the red light, sometimes you'll see the headlight. They said the red light indicates the ambulance or his tail light or something.
Well, they said that the red reflectors were supposed to be the kid's bicycle.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I read like 2 stories.
Yeah, I did too. It said that the car, there's supposed to be some kind of
There's one up here.
ghost car.
Yeah,
Really?
I think the ghost car chased me.
Yeah, I've been chased by the ghost. Me and Amy have been chased by... Oh my god, look, there it is again! Jason, we have to turn around.
Why?
Holy shit, we have to turn around and try and follow him.
Follow him.
Oh my god, Jason, that is so cool.
Follow him where?
I don't know, just to see where he goes, I guess. I don't know. That's the most action we've gotten all night. We're not gonna mess.
Driveways.
There's a driveway right there.
Look, now there's a white line and a red one.
Oh my god. What the hell?
Look, they're hitting each other. Let's go see what.
Jason, that's not even funny right now. This is way better than the fucking cemetery. Look at this. Oh my god, now they're gone. Watch, it'll be a fucking car. I bet you it's a fucking car.
No, it looks like a single airline.
Oh my god, Jason, no fucking way. Don't you fucking lie. Watch, we're gonna get to the top of this hill and it's gonna be fucking gone.
What's a big car?
Yeah, probably. What? What? What?
Where'd it go?
It's gone!
This is where it always disappears. Right?
Jason, no way! Jason, don't even lie to me!
It might be still here. Ah! It's gone.
No fucking way!
Yeah, every time I try to chase it down, it always disappears when I get to those dips back here.
No way! Jason, don't even fuck with me right now!
Yeah.
Chicken lips.
That's it, I'm telling you.
Chicken lips, nuh-uh.
Yeah.
I've never seen that before. That is the coolest thing.
See, I guess nobody's moving in no driveways or nothing.
Holy shit. Yeah, you're totally right.
Oh shit, the car's chasing us.
That's
No, I'm
not
just
funny.
fucking- That is fucking
That's not funny because that shit is terrifying because he's
Yeah.
right up in your ass,
Yeah,
man.
he was all the way to these stop signs one night. I was like, who the fuck is I was pissed. 'Cause I don't know nothing about no car.
Oh my god. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
everybody's sleeping. There ain't no lights on in any house.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, here's a car.
Oh yeah, that's a car. That is a real car.